Hello, so SonarPoint can store up to 1,000 files per SD card, and since you can have up to 8 SD cards per recorder, that would be up to 8,000 files. Well, you recover them all, of course, with the SP Reader utility, and there's a different demo on how to use that. But what if you now want to get a quick overview of what you actually got? Well, you could, of course, just go into File Explorer, and here I already went to a folder that has files from a recording, and you can see all these files, many of them. All right, that might help for some stuff, but perhaps you want to share this information and you don't want to just take a whole bunch of screenshots. So I'm going to show you a simple trick of how to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to call up a command prompt window. So you type CMD, click on it. Here we go. Then I'm going to go to the folder where all my files are, cdc:// onrld, I believe was a folder. Let me take a look at that. Now it's subfolder D1, so I'm just going to go to D1. And now I'm going to do the following. Type dir, which files you want to have. I'm going to do a wildcat, so the star.wav, so I'm only going to list WAV files, and then I'm going to redirect the output by using the right arrow or greater than sign to a text file, and I'm just going to call that d1 files.txt. Hit enter. There we go. And now if I go back to my folder that I was in, there you see d1 files.txt. That's what we just generated. And here is my list of files. That's a nice text file. Of course, I could now import that into a spreadsheet or whatever I want to do. Well, that's essentially the demo for this, and I hope this will be of some use to you.